We are on board Norwegian Encore, and this is inside cabin 11419 on deck 11. This is how the inside cabin looks like. It has a small wardrobe on the right, and it has enough hangers. Inside of the cabinet there is a safe and shelf, and the two side tables are put here. And this is the dressing table. You have the plugs over here, and you have to plan accordingly your trip. And underneath the dressing table is where the hair dryer is. On the left is where the refrigerator is, where you can store your cheesecake. Also, you have a USB plug on your bedside on the lampshades. Now we go to the bathroom. This is how it looks like for the inside cabin. You'll have your towels, the shelf for your beauty products, and inside the shower cabin you will have your shampoo and your liquid soap. Happy cruising!